Listen.
Hi everyone, this is Mark again with another video for the SDX collection. Today we'll briefly talk about how the Cloudera Data Platform is secure by design. If you haven't taken a look at the SDX collection overview video, I suggest you start there. You can find a link to that below in the description. So the Cloudera Data Platform is secure by design thanks to Cloudera's shared data experience. And by secured by design, we mean right down to the very core. We've designed CDP to work without your data ever leaving your public cloud account. Cloudera has designed the architecture of the CDP public cloud to work across two virtual networks. One of those is the Cloudera network, where the control plane lives, which you will use to create environments, provision clusters, and manage experiences. The second is your public cloud vendor's virtual network, where all of your data lives. We orchestrate the infrastructure required to run CDP and all of its experiences in your virtual network. CDP will provision the virtual machines, set up the databases, and manage the Kubernetes clusters, while automatically replicating security policies and setting up encryption across that infrastructure, all in the safety of your network. Because CDP takes care of replicating security policies and setting up encryption, your organization will benefit from the decreased operational costs that come with maintaining just one platform. Also, this automation decreases security risks by ensuring security policies are consistent across the platform after being changed in just one location. We use LDAP and Kerberos to authenticate users and ensure that they're accessing data in accordance to your organization's security policies. And we know how annoying signing in over and over is, so we took care of that too. Sign in once with your single sign-on provider, and CDP will take care of the rest, authenticating each user as they access every experience or cluster. Worried about inbound and outbound traffic? CDP takes care of encrypting traffic between the public cloud and your end device, as well as all traffic to Cloudera's control plane. And when it comes to data governance, enterprise-grade auditing and lineage capabilities are built in as well. So all updates, creations, deletions, and more are tracked across all of the experiences and all of your clusters. Rest assured that as we continue to develop CDP public cloud, we'll continuously improve the security provided by our shared data experience. Let us know in the comments if there are any topics that you would like us to cover, and subscribe to be notified of our upcoming videos. Until next time.